We are walking all across Cornish coastal path. Now we are lying. We've started our walk from Portreath and we'll keep walking towards St. Ives. Let's see how long we can walk. What are your thoughts?
I feel tired already.
We'll just walk 5-10 minutes. I think we should be able to walk for a few hours.
Whoa!
Right.
It's pure nature beauty, eh?
We've gone on walks at different places in Cornwall, same coastal path, but this one looks totally different than what we've done before. Amazing. We started with a very steep hill, climbing from Portreath to this level, and then since then it's been very flat for the last 10 minutes or so. You can see people running.
I think next time we should plan that.
I don't know. A couple of years ago we went on a run. I had a backache and since then it hasn't gone away.
You're just getting old.
Well, you're just 10 months old, younger than me. But my back is definitely very old. I think I can see the Gwithian lighthouse from here. Not a lot of people. We've come across maybe few runners.
And very scenic.
Yes.
And you can see the end point as well, so which makes it a lot better.
Well, having said that, that might not be our end point. We might carry on walking, but because that doesn't look that far, we might reach there in a couple of hours. My plan is to keep on walking for as long as we can, as long as our legs allow and my back allows, of course.
I'm sure we're going to go further than that.
Yeah.
I think this looks a bit challenging. It's all the way down and up again. What do you think then?
I'm getting a little bored of walking just on flat. Because we are from Nepal, I think we need some challenges up and down. Amazing. I'm just now figuring out why people go on coastal walk.
But we've been in Cornwall for some time and we've never done this. Quite windy, eh?
Yeah, but I think it's tailwind, so it's actually making us easier to walk.
That path over there, downhill and uphill, was quite tiring though. Expected,
You're
but it
getting
was
old,
fun.
man. You're getting old. We've done a little over 2 miles. Going great.
I think it's been quite easy than expected.
Yeah.
And at this pace, I think I could walk past Gwithian easily.
Definitely. Sun is right above our head. We've got plenty of time. So we'll keep on walking. What time is it? Just 12:15. We've got 8 more hours of daylight, so let's see how far we can walk.
Looks of it, I think it's just straight now all the way to Gwithian. But probably right at the end there might be another downhill and a steep climb there again.
I think we're gonna have some snacks.
Oh!
What a place!
Let's wait here then.
Perfect place for snack. Damn! Look at this. Actually, the reason we are walking today is back in December, I thought of doing sunrise to sunset walk on the shortest day of the year. We planned for half marathon, if you remember.
Yeah.
Eventually, we did it a couple of weeks back in Easter Sunday. That was the first run in 4 months. And that was the reason we're doing this walk. Not for health benefit. No. But this is pure for fun. We've just done 5k. We initially thought that Gwithian is not so far, but from this point, it's still about an hour. We underestimated. When we look at the view, it looks amazingly close, but actually it's not. That's called Hell's Mouth, and it's got its name for a reason. So we've done over 5 miles in exactly 2 hours. We've got some niggle or back of my knee. You're fine. Still fine. Very good. We're trying to take a shortcut just to make sure that we walk further down towards St. Ives rather than taking this loop. Gwithian Lighthouse, not too far. We've arrived at Portreath beach. It's a little over 10 kilometers. Warm, sunny, lots of people on the beach. We're going towards beach, and as you can see, it's a long, continuous beach. Probably we might even reach St. Ives just walking on the beach. Let's give it a try. I think that one is St. Ives. Water is still cold. Originally planning to go to St. Ives and have something, and we thought that we'd reach St. Ives within an hour or so, but we've been walking for another probably half an hour and looks almost similar distance, so we are planning to sit somewhere close and have few things. This is epitome of a quick snack back in Nepal.
The national snack of Nepal.
Yes. We've reached Hayle beach. As you can see in the background, that was Portreath, Gwithian, and we are in Hayle beach. Further, if you see, carries on to become Harvest Bay. It's I think the longest beach in Cornwall. We were hoping to reach that beach just by walking straight onto that, but apparently there is no way. We have to slightly detour. We're gonna climb that hill top, and I think there is another coastal path. And we thought we'd just keep going and climb that hill, but apparently there is a river in between. Don't know how deep it is. The lifeguard has told us that it was a mile or two detour. It's a proper detour. We are almost in Hayle town center. I think that should be it for us. We'll probably continue this some other day from either Hayle or St. Ives and continue towards southern part of Cornwall.